This is a robot. Jace! We made Jace because the cleaners need to do lots of stuff.
That's why.
We made Jace to be their helper. Jace can wipe the floor and spray sanitizer while it works.
Let us show you how it works.
Blah, blah, blah.
Is it very cool?
However, Jace is not perfect.
Because Jace can just walk in circles.
It is hard for him to clean an angle. So, we're planning to use coding and set a direction for Jace to move. This will be easier for Jace to work.
Which Jace can help everyone. Bye!